There's a silent gold rush happening right now. No one's digging for oil, no one's mining Bitcoin. They're building files, small digital assets that print money over and over again. Not a fantasy, not a side hustle. This is how thousands of people are making 10,000 plus per month in 2025. With no warehouse, no shipping, and no team. They create once and sell forever. And while most people scroll TikTok or grind 9 to 5s, others are quietly uploading PDF guides, Notion templates, AI prompt packs, and Canva kits, and waking up to Stripe notifications. How? It starts with one decision: to stop being a consumer and start being a digital product creator. Part 2. What exactly are digital products? A digital product is anything you can sell that doesn't physically exist. It could be a file, a system, a guide, a template, a tool, a blueprint, or even a well-written list. The best part? It costs nothing to duplicate. Every time someone buys it, you don't pack a box or print a label. You just get paid instantly, globally. Digital products don't get sick. They don't take vacations. They don't demand raises. They just perform. Here's what they can be in 2025. And why they sell: Notion templates, productivity dashboards, freelancer CRMs, content calendars, Canva templates, Instagram carousels, resumes, media kits, pitch decks, ebooks, focused guides, how to budget, freelance, meal prep, study, prompt packs, ChatGPT/Midjourney prompt libraries by niche, planners and printables, daily weekly systems, habit trackers, ADHD journals, AI tools, Google Sheets calculators, Notion AI workflows, Zapier automations, courses, micro courses on solving one pain point in 30 to 60 minutes. The magic of these products isn't in being the best, it's in being specific and useful. In fact, the more boring, the better. Part 3. Why it works now and didn't before. Why is this exploding right now? Simple. Everyone is online, everyone wants convenience, and software makes creation frictionless. In 2012, building a digital product required a designer, a website, and thousands of dollars. In 2025, all you need is Canva, free; Notion, free; ChatGPT, free; Gumroad/Payhip/Ko-Fi, free to start. You don't even need design skills. You just need to know something valuable and present it clearly. This is not the age of creators, it's the age of digital solvers. Part 4. The most profitable types of products, 2025. Let's talk money. Which products are actually bringing in $10,000 a month and more? These aren't guesses. These are patterns pulled from Gumroad, Etsy, TikTok data, and real creators behind the scenes. First, Notion templates. Cost nothing to build. People love productivity and systems. Top sellers, freelancer dashboards, creator CRMs, budgeting tools. Price range, $5 to $99. Example, a creator sells 2,000 copies of a $12 Notion workspace equals $24,000. 2. Canva kits. Easy to make using drag and drop. Hot demand from small business owners, coaches, content creators. Best formats, social media carousels, pitch decks, lead magnets. Price range, $10 to $60. 3. Focused ebooks. Still massive sellers if niche and short. Example, 30 prompts to cure writer's block, or the beginner's guide to digital products. Price range, $5 to $25. Combine with email list to upsell later. 4th, AI prompt packs. Insanely hot right now. People are overwhelmed with AI tools. Prompt packs give them direction. High margin, low competition in niche topics. Real estate, design, copywriting, DALLE art. Price range, $10 to $49. Viral with ChatGPT screenshots plus mini demos. 5. Printable systems, planners, trackers, checklists. Still huge on Etsy. Best for moms, students, ADHD communities, fitness people. Example, ADHD weekly planner for iPad, Good Notes, sells 300 plus copies per month. Price range, $3 to $20. These are not might work someday products. These are selling right now, quietly, globally, across platforms. Part 5. Where digital money is made. platforms that print. Creating a digital product is half the battle. The other half is distribution, where and how you sell it. In 2025, there are 4 dominant platforms for creators who want to make $10,000 a month or more without coding, ads, or a team. Let's go through them like a documentary crew stepping inside the vaults. 1. Gumroad, the underground weapon of indie creators. Once niche, now massive. Gumroad is the digital street market of creators. No fluff, no logos, just value, payment, download, why people love it, easy to use, instant payouts via Stripe, sell anything, PDFs, zips, Notion links, MP4s. You can start in minutes. Pro tip, top Gumroad sellers don't try to build a brand. They solve one problem and position it clearly. Example, 300 ChatGPT prompts for SEO agencies, $24,000 in 4 months, no ads, all organic. Gumroad doesn't bring you traffic, you bring the eyeballs. It brings the frictionless funnel. 2. A TSI, the algorithm that sells for you. Etsy isn't just for handmade jewelry anymore. It's a digital product powerhouse, especially for planners, journals, wedding kits, ADHD organizers, teacher printables, budget trackers. The key is SEO. Etsy is a search engine. Your job is to show up, top sellers often, use long tail keywords, weekly ADHD planner, iPad good notes, offer bundles, stack reviews quickly. Once you get into Etsy's algorithm, it sells on autopilot. Yes, they take a fee, but they also take away the traffic struggle. 3. Payhip, the Shopify of digital hustlers. Not as famous, but deadly effective, Payhip gives you a full storefront custom checkout, upsells, coupons, bundles, email list builder affiliate system. Think Gumroad plus Shopify plus ConvertKit in one free tool. Many 5-figure sellers use Payhip as a home base while driving traffic from TikTok or Instagram Reels. 4th, Ko-Fi, community meets commerce. Ko-Fi looks innocent. It's branded like a creator tip jar, but dig deeper and you'll find digital product sales, membership tiers, goal funding email, capture commission-free payments. Once upgraded, perfect for artists, designers, minimalists, AI creators. Best part, it feels intimate. The trust level is higher. Some digital creators are making $6,000 to $10,000 per month from Ko-Fi plus small audience plus viral shorts. But here's what separates amateurs from killers. The amateurs post once, wait for sales, and complain. The pros systematize. 1 product, 4 platforms. 1 video, 4 formats. 1 funnel, 4 layers of income. That's how they scale from $500 a month to $10,000 a month. Part 6, the unseen engine, digital demand psychology. Let's talk about the real reason people buy. It's not the value, it's not the design, it's the internal voice in the buyer's mind screaming, "This will save me hours. This will make me look better. This will help me do my job faster. This will help me make money. This makes me feel like a pro." Top digital product sellers don't just list features, they sell outcomes. Not 30-page planner, but finally organize your week without overwhelm. Not prompt list for ChatGPT, but never stare at a blank screen again. If your product speaks directly to a pain or desire, it sells even if the design is trash. Part 7, how people go from 0 to 10,000 without an audience. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. You don't need a massive following. You need a massive reason for someone to care. And the most successful digital sellers, they master one thing: storytelling through short-form video. The 3 content launch model. Most 5-figure creators use a repeatable launch system built around Reels, TikToks, and Shorts. Here's the framework. 1. The problem hook. If you're tired of wasting 4 hours every Sunday planning content, I made something for you. This is where you call out the pain. 2. The mini demos show your product solving the problem in 5 seconds. Notion pages flipping, prompts being pasted, Canva files used, visual proof equals belief. 3. The outcome CTA. This helped me go from chaos to clarity. You can grab it in my bio. No begging, no hype, just outcome, offer. Case study. Tiny creator, big numbers. An Etsy seller with 614 followers posted a reel, 7 seconds of their ADHD planner being used on an iPad text overlay. This saved me from failing college. Link in bio result. 1.2 million views, $12,800 in sales in 3 weeks. 3 new products launched immediately after. The algorithm doesn't care if you're famous. It cares if the viewer stops scrolling. Part 8, building the flywheel. Here's the 2025 digital income loop. Make a useful digital product. Notion, Canva, prompt pack. Upload to Gumroad/Etsy/Payhip. Create 3 to 5 short videos per week showing how it helps. Funnel buyers into email list with a bonus freebie. Launch your next product to the list. Repeat. Stack sales, bundles, and automation. This is called the digital flywheel because every new launch reinforces the old ones. Scaling without scaling. Once you hit $2,000 to $3,000 a month consistently, here's how creators go to $10,000. Bundling. Get all 4 templates for 50% off. License deals. Let coaches or businesses use your tools for their clients. Affiliate programs. Let other creators sell for you. Email automation. Drip 3 to 5 emails over time with value plus offers. Repurpose content. 1 TikTok equals a YouTube short equals an Instagram reel. They don't make more. They distribute better. Part 9. The psychology of buying from a nobody. Most viewers don't care about credentials. They care about resonance. Creators selling digital products in 2025 succeed because they feel like someone like me, a step ahead, solving the problem I'm facing right now. That's all you need to be. You're not selling software. You're selling a shortcut. Part 10, the future is files. In the next 5 years, digital products will dominate. Students will sell revision kits. Freelancers will build client templates. Coaches will sell pre-built frameworks. Everyday people will package what they know into guides and earn. We're moving into an era where leverage is knowledge packaged smartly, and those who build now will own tomorrow. If you're still watching this, you already know the truth. The economy won't save you, jobs won't scale with inflation, but digital products, they don't ask for permission. So start with one file, one solution, one buyer. And maybe, just maybe, one day you'll wake up, check your phone, and see you just received $37 from Gumroad. That's the beginning. Subscribe to Money Llama and check the links in the description for our free starter pack with our best-selling product formats. Templates to build faster and a behind-the-scenes mini doc on creators earning $10,000 plus with 0 ads. Let's build.